My last $20 bought a tank of gas, and I ate instant ramen for 3 days straight, knowing rent was a week late, when I decided to really look at the old toolbox in the trunk. I'd been living out of the Civic for a month, showering at the gym when I could afford the day pass, and mostly eating peanut butter sandwiches I'd make at the grocery store sample station. My construction gig had dried up 6 weeks ago, no new projects, and the unemployment office was a joke. I had a phone that was about to be cut off and less than $3 to my name. That toolbox, my dad's old one, was full of wrenches and screwdrivers I hadn't touched since high school when he tried to teach me about small engines. My own lawnmower, the one that sat broken in my landlord's shed before I got kicked out, popped into my head. I walked to the library, used their free Wi-Fi to watch a dozen YouTube videos on carburetors and fuel lines, then took a bus across town to a discount auto store.